Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos while using other applications. So what you have to do is go to your settings right here and scroll down and search for the option Apps. And right here in this page you have to hit that three dots icon at the top right corner and select the option Special Access. And right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options, but the one you have to choose right here is Picture-in-Picture. And right here you have to search for the YouTube application. So right here we have YouTube, and you have to make sure that this option right here is toggled on, allow Picture-in-Picture. So as you can see right here, if you have this option toggled on, it allows this app to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window is shown on top of other apps that you're using. So if you have this toggled on, you can just play the video you want to see and go and open another application, and you can still watch the video while you're using other applications on your phone mobile. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.